Today, we'll cover how git merge works with GitHub pull requests. We'll focus on a specific case where a developer has a feature branch that they're working on, and they want to merge the changes from main branch back to their feature branch to be up to date. All right, for first some background information. So what is Git? Git is a distributed version control systems where multiple developers are working on their own code bases, on the same code bases, and the changes are merged together. So git merge is the command that does the merges, that takes each commit and merges them together. So let's go and look at an example. So in this example, we have a main branch with these 4 commits, and then there's a branch that is branched off of main. Let's see how it looks in code. So we're in main branch here, so we could do git logs, git log, and we see the commits here, and we switch to the branch, git checkout branch, and we could do git log, and we see M1 here is the last one, and then B1, B2. And we also have a repo with these changes. So we have a corresponding GitHub repo where we've got main and we have branch. So let's first try to do a simple branch. So we're gonna be on a branch, and then we're gonna say git merge. Let me clear this. Git merge main. Tells us for a message, but we're gonna skip that. It's asking. Okay, the merges have been made. So now let's say git logs, git log, and you see M1, then B1, then M2, and then B2 in the history, M3, and then there's this merge commit, and this merge commit has some metadata over here. This is pointing back to M3. And this is pointing back to B2. There's actually a command that you can do git log -- graph -- decorate to look at, to see this, to see some lines here that may be helpful. Let's look at it in a different way. So basically we have our history now here, and the last merge commit is pointing back to M3 and B2. So M3 and B2 are the parents of this merge child commit. So let's go ahead and push these changes up to GitHub. Git push origin branch. And the push is happening without any issues because we have not modified any history. Let's go back to GitHub. If we update the branch, we'll see this. And now let's open a pull request. We're just going to merge this to main, create pull request. And then we're not going to squash and merge. We're going to do a merge commit. So there's 3 options here. Merge commit is where you keep all your history, keep all your commits. Squash and merge, it combines the new commits that are on your branch into a single commit. So it kind of keeps your main cleaner. And then rebase and merge, it actually takes these 3 commits and puts them on top as the latest commits. It's also good because it kind of groups your commits. But in this example, we're going to do a merge commit. We'll do a merge pull request. And then let's go to main. Let's look at the history. So you see, we have this merge that I did in the terminal, and then we have another merge from the pull request. Let's take a look at how this actually looks. So it looks like this now. So we have original that pointed to M3 and B2, and then we have the new PR that's pointing to the previous merge as one of its parents and to M3. So the previous merge was from the branch and M3 was from main. Now let's cover how to reset. Let's see, we are on the branch. We have all these changes. We want to reset the branch back to how it was before. So you can do git reset -- hard, and you pick the commit that was one of the parents. So you see 2AF over here. So this is the parent. So we pick this one. So we're going to basically reset back to how the branch looked. Git log, and the branch looks good. So let's take a moment to show how we would do a rebase. So rebase is a different type. Well, first, before I do that, let me clear this. So git, let me push this back. Get push u origin branch force push. Just force. Okay, all good. So let's do a rebase. A rebase is a different type where instead of merging them according to timestamp, the branches commits are going to be on top. So I'll show you how it looks like. Let's do a git rebase main. Okay. Git log. So you see B2 and B1 now are on top. However, you see the problem here is that I cannot push this without a force. If I do this, it will not work because we have changed our history. So sometimes this approach is not practical if you want to maintain the history. So let's reset back. Git reset hard origin branch. Git log, we're back where we started. All right, so we're going to do something different now. Another example. So we have main, we have branch. Let's do an example where the main is protected, so we need a pull request for that. Branch is also protected, and we want to update the branch. So in order to update the branch, we create another branch, update that, and do a pull request into the branch. So let's do that. Let's do git merge main here. Then we do git, we can create a new branch, git checkout -b for a new branch. We're going to call it update. Git log, everything's good. And then we're going to git push origin update. Okay, let's go back to GitHub. Let me double check here. I do wanna before I do that, I do wanna reset main back to its original state. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so main's back to the original state. So let's go ahead and open a pull request. So let's open a pull request, and we're gonna merge the update into our feature branch. Call it update feature. Create pull request. Now in this pull request, if you look at the changes in the pull request, you see that the changes are actually from main. So this may be a problem if we're talking about automating who is reviewing these changes, because these changes were originally made on main and they were already merged to main. And here we're trying to take the changes and create a pull request with them again. So that means the same people that were code owners that were tagged on the previous review are going to be kind of duplicated tagged here. So that's something to keep in mind here. All right, so let's go ahead and merge this. Okay, we're going to merge this, confirm merge. So now let's look at our branch. So branch is up to date with main. And now we're going to do another pull request. We're going to merge the branch into main. And in this case, we see the branch as diffs plus the two merge commits. So create pull request. And we're going to do a merge commit here. Merge pull request, confirm merge. And let's go to main and look at our commit history. So we have three merge commits here. And this is how it looks like visually. So we had the original one where we merged main and branch. Then we merged that into the branch, which is our feature branch. So the parent is parent and the other parent is the feature branch, last commit in the feature branch. And then we merged into main. So one parent is last commit on the feature branch, and the other parent is the last commit on main branch. Let's do one more thing. Let's show how we can do a squash merge. So, as you can see, there's a lot of history here, right? We have, how many commits is that? 9 commits. So what if instead of doing a merge, we do one of those, we do that squash option. So let me go ahead and reset main real quick. Okay, main is reset, and let's do a pull request. New pull request from branch again to main. Create pull request. And this time we will pick another one of these options. We're going to pick squash and merge. So let's see what that does. Squash and merge. Confirm squash and merge. And now all those changes got combined into a single commit. So this is a lot cleaner. That's it for this video.